What's up, guys? So Quiet Fun Time Squishy Videos back here with another video. So today I got a squishy package from amino, and you guys probably know what amino is, but yeah, let's get started. So you guys get the first. I don't think I saw that, but. Probably didn't. But the first thing in here, I only ordered one squishy. So all of the extras. So the first extra is this Diamond of the Ocean limited edition Titanic bracelet. Thank you so much for this. You probably know. You guys probably know how much I love Titanic. Next, we have this stress ball. Yeah, I did my nails, by the way. If you can see. I got my nails painted. The lighting is really bad right now, guys. I'm filming it like ages, but dark. But next we have this fake Billy the Whale, and I can tell this is fake because I have a bigger version, which is real. But she sent me some slime, and this is like a putty type of foam. The beads, this is a putty foam, and the beads just totally fall out. But yeah. But the actual thing they sent me was this Eric cake. Oh my gosh. Okay, I moved you. Here it is. This isn't an original packaging, as you can see. And it's really defected. I'm gonna have to contact amino about this. This was just a super short package video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but yeah, this was just a super short video. I just wanted to tell you guys about this. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing some random filming for a little bit. So yeah. But like, yeah. I got a huge Disney squishy package up there, which I have already opened. Sorry guys, I forgot to film it, but I've already opened it. But yeah, that's probably gonna conclude today's video. Bye guys!